Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for today. This is new camera application update for all OnePlus devices running with OxygenOS 16.1. This application is extracted from S6 Ultra. I tested this application on my OnePlus 13R running with OxygenOS 16.0.7, which is basically 16.1 build, and it's almost stable. It also brings several new features that were missing in stock camera application on OnePlus 13R. This application also works on all OxygenOS 16 devices with one major issue. So today in this video we are going to review this new version of OnePlus Camera application, its features, bugs and my final verdict on whether you should use it or not. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. This camera application will work on any OnePlus device running with OxygenOS 16.1 aka 16.0.7 build. Here is my OnePlus 13R running with the same OxygenOS version. My OnePlus 13R has this old camera application version. You just need to download and install this new camera APK. Its link is available in video description. Let's check out what new things this version provides for OnePlus 13R and other OnePlus devices. The first thing is that all settings in this camera application have counter glow effect. In previous build of camera application on OnePlus 13R, this counter glow effect was missing. However, the glass user interface effect will not work on OnePlus R series devices. It will only available for number series devices like OnePlus 15, 13 and 13s running with OxygenOS 16.1. Next, under the more setting, the sticker feature was missing for OnePlus 13R in previous camera build. It is now available and working in this version. Just tap on the sticker option and you will get bunch of different stickers. Even the live characters are available in this build. One new feature that was not present in old camera build is the new face retouch for selfie camera. In this new build, we get some advanced retouch options like skin texture control, cheek size adjustment, head size control, eye size control, face width, face length, hairline, temple, cheekbones, and nose size control. This is an advanced feature that can transform your face as you wish. These are few changes I found in this camera build. All other features of this camera are working for me on OnePlus 13R. The only bug I found is that after taking pictures or videos, I can't able to access them via gallery shortcut in camera application. You have to open gallery application manually to access your content. Next, if you install this camera application on any other device running with older OxygenOS version below 16.1, you may face issues. For example, here I installed this build on my OnePlus Nord 5. Everything is working, but I can't able to take pictures using this version and I can't able to access gallery shortcut in camera application. But you can capture pictures using scan dock option available under the more option of this camera application. So I don't recommend you to try it on any device running on the lower version below 16.1. If you install this build and want to uninstall it, just go to the settings, apps, under the apps management, tap 3-dot menu from the top right corner. Select Show System Applications, search for Camera application. Again tap on the 3-dot menu and select Uninstall Updates. You will get your old camera version back. For experimentation, you can try this new camera application on OnePlus devices running on the lower version below 16.1. Devices running on the 16.1 build can try this version. It should work perfectly with only one minor issue of gallery shortcut not working in the camera application. That's all for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.